Farming is not easy. But I chose this path. Not for myself, but to share with others. Join me on this journey. March 21st, 2026. This is my 5th year working as an urban farmer. Both of my parents grew up in the countryside, but after they got married, they moved to Seoul. So in my own memories, there is no trace of rural life. I grew up as a city person, without memories of running freely in nature, and without any sense of hometown nostalgia. Then, by chance, I began the life of an urban farmer. And I truly love it. On a piece of land that is neither too big nor too small, I have grown lettuce, chives, stem lettuce, spinach, green onions, young radish greens, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, squash, cucumbers, watermelon, melon, strawberries, beets, potatoes, scallions, asparagus, radish, carrots, water parsley, okra, and probably a few more that I can't even remember. Curious by nature, I have tried growing many different things. And now, I choose what I can grow well, and what I truly want to grow. I rent a small plot of land a little away from home, for 80,000 won a year, about $53 at today's exchange rate. After going through 2 different plots, I have finally found a place that feels just right. This year, I want to care for it with sincerity. There are already so many things I could be doing. So why do I choose something this difficult? Farming is not easy, especially without experience. It takes more time than for others, and sometimes the harvest is smaller than expected. At times, there is even too much to harvest, so much that sharing it becomes a burden. Even when I try to block the sunlight, I feel that the ultraviolet rays are quietly damaging my skin. And yet, I still love farming. Vegetables grown without pesticides or chemical fertilizers cannot be compared to those bought from a store. But more than anything, what I love most is the honesty of the soil. There is a saying, crops grow in response to the sound of the farmer's footsteps. It may seem like they are just plants, but in the end, it means that what we give is what we receive. Now, even vegetables I buy from the market are not easily thrown away. Every leaf, every stem feels like a life. Because I now realize that for even a single leaf to grow, the harmony between nature and human effort holds a value that cannot be measured. Nature has no lies, no exaggeration, and no laziness. A cold that seems strong enough to freeze the world loses its power before the gentle winds of March. The ground, once frozen solid, has softened just enough to welcome the shovel. Today, I exchanged a long greeting with this field, which I met for the first time. I dug small holes here and there, and buried compost mixed with animal manure. It is not fully matured yet, so it will continue to ferment in the soil. In 1 or 2 weeks, I will return to mix the soil evenly and prepare the field again. Half-day Hangul method is more than learning Hangul, it helps you understand Korean culture. Learn Hangul easily, quickly, and with joy, as if you were learning your mother tongue. And experience Korean culture, where people care for others before oneself.